Now, let's talk about what are engaged readers. So, an engaged reader has these characteristics. Okay, number one is they are motivated to read. Number two, they have and they use strategies to comprehend what they are reading. Number three, they can construct meaning from the text. Number four, they are socially collaborative while reading. So today we're going to be talking about writing engagement and how to get our students in the writing flow. All right. Here we go. All right, so what are engaged writers? So here are 6 different characteristics of engaged writers. Number one is they have a mental focus and discipline. Number two, they love or are engaged with some part of the writing process. It could be the creativity or creation part of it that gets them excited. Maybe they can't wait to keep writing to find out what's going to happen next. Or maybe they get excited about having their writing read by others, having that special audience to read their writing. Maybe that gets them excited. Number 3 is they take initiative. They start writing projects even when they aren't told exactly what to write about or what genre to write in. Number 4, they have ways to generate topics for new writing. Number 5, they understand the purpose of writing. And number 6, they understand that their words have power. Ooh, I love that last one.